Picture this. You're recovering from an accident, doing everything you can to get back on track. But while you're focused on healing, there's an insurance adjuster in a back office somewhere combing through your Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, just waiting to twist your words or photos against you. One innocent post, one shared photo, could flip your case upside down. Hi, I'm attorney Jim Curtis. If you think social media is just for fun and staying in touch, think again. In today's world, your online profile isn't just a timeline, it's evidence. If you're making a personal injury claim, learning to use social media wisely isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And while staying offline completely is the best, the reality is that's not always possible. But here's the good news. You don't have to disappear from the digital world. With a few smart moves, you can protect yourself, protect your claim, and still stay connected. In this video, I'll show you the 5 most important steps that you can take to stop insurance companies from using your posts against you, and the important advice that you need to share with your friends. So let's dive in. Number 1, tighten your privacy settings, but don't rely on them alone. The first step is to lock down your accounts. Make sure your privacy settings are set to friends only or private. Block unwanted followers. But here's the catch. A determined insurance investigator can still find posts you interact with, photos you're tagged in, or public comments. Remember, privacy settings help, but you should always assume that whatever you post could end up in front of a judge. Number 2, post with purpose, neutral and positive only. If you must post, make sure your content is harmless. Share quotes, family photos from earlier in the year, or pet pictures. Don't post anything about your accident, injuries, doctor visits, or your recovery. Even a having a good day status can be twisted to mean that you're healed or that your pain isn't real. When in doubt, keep it generic and avoid photos of physical activity that could contradict your claim. Number 3, no details about your case ever. This one's huge. Never ever discuss the accident itself, your injuries, your treatment plan, your lawyer, or negotiations with the insurance company. That's confidential and can be used against you even if your post seems harmless. If someone asks in a comment, say, "I'm not supposed to talk about it online." Keep those details off the internet and safely between you and your attorney. And number 5, limit friend additions and be wary of new requests. After your crash, you may notice new friend requests from people you don't recognize. It's possible these are investigators or insurance employees doing background checks. Only accept friend requests from people you know and trust. If in doubt, keep your circle of friends tight, at least until your case closes. Now let's talk about your crew. Here's what you need to tell your friends and family. Number 1, no accident mentions. Ask them not to post about your accident, your recovery, or any get-togethers involving you. Number 2, no tagging in new photos. Tell them not to tag you at any events or activities until your claim is settled. Number 3, respect privacy. Remind them to check their own privacy settings if they normally post publicly. Number 4, avoid joking and speculation. Lighthearted posts can actually be used to show that you're not as injured as you claim. And finally, number 5, if asked about your situation, tell them to send people directly to you or your lawyer. Remember, even innocent posts create risk. It's much better to be overly cautious now than to have social media sabotage your case. Now that you know what to do when it comes to using social media during your personal injury case, be sure to check out this next video for some great tips on what you can do right after your accident to help set you up for success on your claim. See you there.